How to use Binance Liquid Swap for beginners liquidity mining tutorial. So if you want to learn how to use Binance Liquid Swap for beginners, it's quite simple to do so, and we'll break down in this video. First of all, open the Binance app and log in. Now you can head over to the Earn tab by simply going to Wallet, then going to the Earn tab that you'd be able to find here. Now from here, just scroll down and look for the Liquid Swap option under Liquidity Farming section. Once you've done that, you'll see a different liquidity pools available, and each pool consists of two cryptocurrencies. You might see a BNB/USDT pool or something like that. So choose the one that suits you based on the tokens you hold and the potential rewards. Now, if you want to add liquidity, select the pool and tap Add Liquidity. You'll need to provide an equal value of both tokens in the pair. Now review the details including the pool you'll share, receive, and potential returns. To track your earnings, you can go to the My Share section within Liquid Swap. And that's just it. You've participated in liquidity mining and Binance using Liquid Swap. It's a great way to earn passive income with your crypto. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. And thanks for watching.